Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, magre-review tayo ng item from Shoppee. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please subscribe, like this video, and comment your suggestions or any questions. So ang ating i-review today is face fingerprint password recognition. Yun. Ayan siya guys. So ilalagay ko yung picture natin dito. Picture ko. Yung picture ng item na binili natin from Shoppee. And yung binilhan ko, ang pangalan ng store is Super Mall. And this costs for 2,189 plus the shipping fee. So, let's check if it's worth it. Kasi sa mall, this will cost 5,000 pesos. Yung may fingerprint at saka may face ID na parang DTR siya guys. Attendance check. So, ayan siya guys. Nakabalot. So, this is the item. This is FaceTime attendance. Meron na kaming DTR guys, pero yung lumang style which is you put the DTR ID ba tawag dyan? Atin siyang i-review kung worth the 2,000 pesos ba. So here's the item. Ito yung laman niya. And meron siyang manual. And ito yung ito yung siya. Plastic lang naman natin. Yeah. So, plastic lang siya. Kaya siguro mura. Ayan. Ayan. Plastic. Ang material is plastic. Ayan. Ang nasa likod is function, face, fingerprint, plus password. And ang face capacity niya is 500. So, ito yun siya guys. Ito yung sa face and meron siyang camera dito to identify your face, of course. And then ito yung fingerprint and merong password. So 3-in-1 attendance check. So pwede mong siguro gamitin ang face, pwede din ang fingerprint and yung password ng ating employee. And this is the manual guys. English siya, so hindi naman nakakatakot. Kasi usually yung mga manuals na from Shoppee, usually Chinese ang manual. So hindi natin maintindihan yon. And ito naman is English. Then we also have, meron pang laman ng ating box guys. Of course, yung ang plug. Yes, ganyan siya guys. Ang plug niya, ayan. Kailangan mo lang ng adapter. And then, the screw. Kung saan mo siya ilalagay. Then, let's check kung ano pang laman dito. And, ito. Ito yung paglalagyan mo. Parang stand. Look. Parang siyang stand guys. Guys, we have to set it up first if it's really worth it. So, ayan, i-plug na natin siya, guys. So, this one is the camera. Dito na side. And then, first, we have to go to menu. Let's go to setting. Okay. 28. So, ang date niya nakaset na agad. That's good. Let's go exit. And then, so pwede mo siyang i-clear if upgrade tayo. It's working, guys. So, let's go to, ano ba ang attendance rule nito? Let's go first sa employee. So when you enroll, you go to employee. So settings tayo guys. Let's go back guys. So menu first. Ito yung menu. Ito guys. And then punta tayo sa employee. Okay. And then mag-enroll tayo. ID number 1, and then name. Enroll na tayo, guys. And then save. Face recognition.
Please focus on the camera. Thank you.
For the fingerprint. Okay.
Please press your finger.
Take off the finger. And then let's try the password. So, naka-enroll na tayo. So, let's try to use it.
Thank you.
See?
You have signed in.
Naka-sign in na tayo. Let's try to use the fingerprint.
You have signed in.
So, paano natin malalaman yung time in nila? Okay tayo. Let's try naman natin dito sa attendance. Kung i-check nyo ang attendance, dito tayo sa download all report. Pwede din download individual report. Let's try the attendance check. Then shift. Then shift 1 is time in natin. Hi guys! Welcome back again. So, here's the pros and cons to this item. So, I love the item. I will rate this 8 out of 10. And it's worth it. Worth the penny, worth the 2,000 pesos na ating binayaran from the Shoppee. And it's working, guys. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, na it's really working. Kasi mahihirapan tayo ibabalik yung item kung hindi gumagana. Diba? Dahil 2,000 pesos din yan. So, first, ang pros natin. First, I will recommend this item, guys, because it's easy to input details. It's easy to install. And it's very easy for our employees para mag-attendance. Pwede nilang gamitin yung kanilang fingerprint. Pwede din silang gumamit ng password, or pwede yung mukha lang nila, diretsuhin lang nila, ilalagay yung kanilang mukha, time in na sila. So, yun yung mga pros natin for this item. And the cons, guys, kaya 8 out of 10 ang ating ni-rate for this item because, una, mahirap tingnan yung time in and time out ng lahat ng employees in a one sitting. Kailangan natin ng USB drive talaga, guys, to download all the reports para easy to download in your computer or in your laptop. So for me, I use manual as of the moment kasi hindi pa tayo sure paano gamitin ang USB if ilalagay natin sa ating 3-in-1 time attendance. And then, pangalawang cons, guys, mahihirapan siyang magbasa sa fingerprint, especially pag basa, of course, and pag madumi ang fingerprint. I think that's it for the cons and the pros. But overall, guys, I love the item. It's easy to know if your employees are really in the store. It's a beautiful item. For a small business owner, pwede ito talaga, guys. Basta yun lang, guys. Super nice ang item. I love the item. And 2,000 pesos lang. So, that's it for our video, guys. So, kung gusto nyo bumili nito, guys, pwede nyo i-search ang Super Mall kung saan ko siya binili. So, that's it for our video today, guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat at nakapunta kayo dito sa aking channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, guys!